Hey everyone, welcome back to RoamTips.com. Today, we're going to break down how to give Facebook access to your photos on your iPhone. It's easier than you think. Now, keep in mind this is based on my own experience, and your settings might look a little different. Okay, let's dive in. First method, we'll start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll all the way down until you see the section for apps. Tap on that. Now scroll down the list to find Facebook. Found it? Tap on Facebook. At the top of the screen, you should see Photos. Tap on that. You'll see a few options. For this example, let's select Full Access. You'll get another pop-up asking if you're sure. Just tap Allow Full Access. And that's it for this method. Next time you're using Facebook and want to access your photo library, it'll work just like normal. Okay, let's look at another way to do this. Second method, again, open up your Settings app. This time, scroll down until you find Privacy and Security. Tap on that. Next, find and tap Photos. You'll see a list of apps that have requested or have access to your photos. Find Facebook in the list. Tap on it. And just like before, choose Full Access. You'll get that confirmation prompt again, so tap Allow Full Access. And now, Facebook has full access to your photos whenever you're using the app. So there you have it, 2 simple ways to allow Facebook to access your photos on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Links to anything mentioned will be in the description. Thanks for watching.